Nature has always been the best medicine for me. I really enjoy the adventures I go on, especially when I'm out in the wild.
Hey everyone! I decided to do another solo backpacking camping trip. Okay, we're going on a hike now and I'm already loving it. I'm inside pretty much a cave. You just go explore through and it's perfect for me because I'm tiny.
I get a thrill every time I discover a new place. Or when I make new friends.
Hey everyone, just met some new friends. This is Rich and we are hiking in Table Mountain. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. This is my new friend. He's so cute.
And the journey itself teaches me something new each time.
Okay, after an hour of trying to figure out how to set my tent, I finally did it. And yes, you can come in. I got the most comfortable sleeping bag. I'm ready.
The more I explore, the more I figure myself out and learn that there's so much beauty that awaits outside for us. I feel at peace when Mother Nature holds me in her space. With that warm sun kiss and the sweet scent of life. I have my best moments because of her.
Mother Nature's so beautiful, guys. We just went to the best hot springs ever. It was so nice. So nice.
And felt the most love when I'm near her.
I don't know what it is, but this week is really great. I have been on 2 different hikes. As you can see, this is so beautiful. I think it's just amazing to have that space and time for yourself to just let all your energy and all your angst out.
Thank you, Mother Nature, for making me smile every time I'm with you.